I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your Vyapar app with your mobile device. First, ensure you have the Vyapar app installed on both your primary device and the mobile device you wish to sync. This process allows you to keep your business data consistent and accessible from anywhere. We will cover the essential steps to set up and maintain a smooth synchronization, ensuring your records are always current. To begin, open the Vyapar application on your main device. Look for the Settings or More menu, usually found in the top right or bottom navigation. Within the settings, you will find an option labeled Cloud Sync or Data Sync. Select this option and then log in using your existing Vyapar account details. This step links your account to the cloud service, preparing your data for synchronization. Once logged in, you'll typically see options to select which data categories you want to synchronize, such as invoices, inventory, or customer lists. Choose the relevant data, then tap the Sync Now or Start Sync button. The app will then upload and download data to ensure both devices have the most current information. Always confirm that the synchronization is complete and your data matches across all your devices. For optimal performance, always ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection before initiating a sync. Regularly updating your Vyapar app to its latest version can also prevent common synchronization issues and improve overall functionality. If you encounter any problems, restarting the app or your device often resolves minor glitches. Also, remember to check the description below for helpful links and other great deals, including a fantastic offer on durable socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.